Stand up, feet together, hands together. 你好. So we already learned the punch down and the fan through back. So when you do the punch down, you will realize that you are turning your direction. At the first part, we go just back and forth and going back, and then you will turn the direction to your right. So when you turn, that would be the left hand, your left hand, my right hand. Your left hand is using the left hand to punch down and punch down to your right. Okay, so once you do the repose the monkey, and you're gonna using the left hand and make a fist, punch down to your right. So all you need is pay attention to the hands. Which hands doing the fist? See, that's another move. We are doing the fist on this, in this form. The first one, we do the deflect, and this one do the punch down. So when you do the deflect, that's this part going out. And punch down, now you do the face punch down, okay? So when you do the punch down and let the hands make a circle, when you back to the circle back to the back here, and then start moving, making the fist from here. Make the fist and then punch down, okay? So let's practice that move. And we are starting from here. The last, repose the monkey. So let the left hand make the circle and make a fist, then punch down. One more time. Left hand push. The weight is on the back. So turn. Now start making a fist and punch down. So once you punch down, the next one we learn is a fan through the back. So which is two hands pick up and open up, stretch open. That's where we ended it. So in this one, once you turn to your right, do the punch down, and you just pick up the hands. When you pick up the hands, also pick up your foot, okay? From here, shift the weight to the back, pick up the foot. See, my hands and my foot, draw it, my foot in, okay? That is the part you have to do the matching, okay? So shift the weight to the back and pick up the hands. Now step forward again. Do the opening, do the stretching, okay? So what ending up, that would be that direction, your right direction, open up. So let's start from the beginning until this point. Yeah, back off, few steps, feet together, and step to the right, arms up, and down. Hold the ball, stretch wings, diagonal flying, the other side, back to the front, deflect, parry, punch, withdraw, and push. The right hand, make a fist, deflect, parry, and punch. Withdraw and push. Now step back. One, two, three, and four. Now start turning direction. Make a fist, step out, punch down. Draw your hands up and open to the left, to the right. So let's do one more time from here, and then we go on. Ready? Up, down, hold, and stretch. Hold and spread. And hold and spread. Deflect, parry, punch. Withdraw and push. Deflect, parry, punch. Withdraw and push. Step back. One, two, three, four. Left hand make a fist and punch down. Draw and open up. See, as you see, and the next one is punch down to the other side. And the first one we did is the left hand, your left hand, punch down to the right. And guess what? This one gonna be your right hand punch down to the other side. Okay? So all you need to remember which hand gonna do the work, do the punch down. Okay? So, and we just practice the hands first. Do the hands, which one do the punch down. Okay? So, and your right hand, get your right hand out, you pull back, make a circle, make a fist, and punch forward, down. Okay? Palm up. So in this part, remember we did the learn the brush knees in Tai Chi 1, you brush knees. So in this one, doing the push that become punch, become the fist. So the hands, when you turn, make a circle and get to, when you stop bending the elbow, that is the time you make the fist and then punch down. So as you see, my body turns. So when my hands draw to the side, bend the elbow, make a fist. Then when I punch down, I also turn my body forward to do the punch down. Okay? So, which is you're using your body as your center cord to do the work. When I said that, pull the hands, make the circle to the back, it's not to the back. Now you're twisting yourself. By turning your body, your hands facing to the back. Okay? Actually, when you see me on the side, when I pull, see my body turns. Okay? And put the hands back, and then bend the elbow, and then punch forward, down. Okay? So let your body turn. Let your cord turn. Okay? So let's practice the hand. Your right hand face up, turn to the right, make a fist, punch down. So let's turn to the left and do that face to that direction. Let the hands up, make a fist, and punch down. One more time. So that is the hand using the fist, making the fist. So your attention is on that hand making the fist. So the hands, your eyes, your attention following that hand, make the fist. When you punch down, you follow the direction where the palm, where the fist goes. Okay, so goes down and look down. And what about the other hand? The other hand, do the same thing. Make the circle through in front your shoulder and back to the sides. So, and just same thing, do the brush knees. Let the palm up, turn the body, and brush knees. So, same move. And when you two hands put together, the one making the fist in the front, okay? When the one drawing to the back, the other one is coming up. So this is a little stopping point. Once up to here, then the hand gonna make the fist is to the back, and the hands to the in front of the shoulder. That's the really stopping point, and you matches two hands. See the hands make a circle, two hands make circle, and stop. So see the position, and hands in front of your shoulder, and going down, brush knees. The other one is making the fist. So from here, let the palm facing up, and make the circles, make the fist, and punch. Try that again. Attention is on your right hand making the fist, and then punch. One more time. So we are turning directions from that side to the other. We're going to punch down to the other. How do we change directions? Thus, we're going to work on the footwork, how to make the turn. Okay, from here, we are ending up fan through the back from here. So forget about hands. You're gonna try to turn to the other side. You're gonna shift the weight, pick with the foot, now the body turning, and shift the weight back, pull the foot in, and step forward, and then shift forward. So that's say, when I say step forward, is this become your forward, the front, and this is not your front anymore. So when you turn, that become your front, okay? You turn your direction. So let's practice the footwork. Let me show you how to get the turn, okay? You see how I turn it to one side to the other. And let's practice the footwork. How do we turn? Really important, the turning is shifting your weight. Okay, when you're shifting your weight and free the other foot can do the turn. When you turn using your body turn, it's not just pivot, okay? Not just pivot your foot. And once you shift the weight, turn the body, see, your foot automatically turn. So that way you don't twist yourself. That's very important, okay? So from here, your weight is in the front to the right. Now shift the weight to the back, turn body. Once you turn and shift the weight back to put the other foot in. And then step to your left. Once you step, you are not just a step to straight to the left, you're gonna slightly pull back and then turn. Once you turn, you slide your heel back. So now you are facing this direction. Remember where we the Tai Chi one, when you stand, you do not step in the center line. So that's why when you step to the left, you are slightly reach to the back, not just to the side, okay? So that is get back to your right position. So let's practice the turning, okay? Weight on front, shift, turn, pick up the foot, and step back, and shift forward, and slide the heel. So at the same time, when you shift forward, that's the time slide the heel back. So now the back foot always 45 degrees, and the one pointed where to go. That's the rule we talked about in the Tai Chi one. Okay, so let's try it again. The weight is forward, shift back, pivot, tap, heel, and forward. See, my foot slide back, my heel slide back. Okay, and how we put the hands together with your turning, that's I just more complicated. Okay, but we already practice the hand, how the hands go, circle and punch down. So just put that to it, add that to it. So we are here and ending up the position here. So shift the weight. When you shift the weight and the left hand going to your shoulder, step and punch down. So let me do it once, then you see how it is. Shift, turn, step, punch down. So don't worry about that too much. All you need to say the hands, how the hands go and where the hands go, and then turn. Okay, try that. Fan through the back. Shift, tap, make a fist, and punch down. Okay, and try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And we just practice two more times. 1 is shifting, okay? 1, see, shifting. The hands start turning. The hands. That hand, the right hand, gonna make a fist. So pay attention to that one. That one coming in, make a circle, and make a fist. Okay, from here. 1, 2. See, the 2 is ready to make the fist. 3, make the fist. And 4, punch down. Okay? So try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that's how we make the turn from one side to the other. And more important is remember which hand you're gonna punch down. So the first one, you left hand punch to the right, and then second one, the right hand punch to the left. So in these two movements, you are change directions from one side then the other. From the front, we is always on the front, back and forth, and then we turn to the right and back to the left. That's what this form is, just two sides. So let's do that from the beginning until this point, okay? Then let's back up. Feet together. Step to the right. Arms up and down. Wide crane, stretch wings. And diagonal flying. Diagonal flying. The deflect. Parry. Punch. Withdraw. And push. Deflect. Parry. Punch. Withdraw. And push. So 4 steps, going back and going back. 3, and 4. So we're going to turn, make a fist, punch down. We draw up and fan through the back. Now turn to the other side. 2, 3, 4. So that's how what today's class is, and we did all this new, learn a new form today. Actually, it's not a new form, just we do to the other side, opposite side, that's all. That's what we did today. Just punch down to the other side, okay? So everybody, hands together, and 谢谢。